Are you tired of bugs in your house? If you're gardeners like we are, every time it seems like you turn around, you got a tomato starting to go bad, and then all of a sudden you've got thousands of gnats in your house. So, had a company reach out to me, want me to try a insect trap, and it's made by Wowcatch, and I said yes, be glad to, because this is a big problem this time of year, and just regular fruit. Sometimes you bring bananas in, sometimes you forget about them, they kind of turn brown. Next thing you know, you got thousands of gnats or fruit flies or whatever you call them in your house. So they sent me this. We're going to try it out. I'm going to unbox it. We're going to read the instructions and we're going to get it plugged up. And we're going to come back tomorrow and check it, and then the next day and check it and see if it actually works. And I hope it does. They said this is kind of going viral on the internet, and I'll have a link down below in the description where you can go on Amazon and order this at a little bit of a discount, and they'll send it right out to you. But let's unbox it and look at the instructions and see how hard it is set up. Oh, it comes with extra traps, or baits, I guess you'd call it. It comes with one already put in there. And you plug this in, I guess. So, but let's look at the instructions just to be safe. This is the first time I've looked at this, so you're getting it kind of real time here. All right, so you plug this in first, and then you pull it's got a protective film on it. So this goes up in like this, I think. Yeah. You take the film off. Just pulls right up. This is ready to go. All right, let's go in the kitchen. We're going to plug this thing up. So one good thing about this that we're going to like is pet safe. So we don't have to worry about our little puppy dog getting into this. And don't make any noise. So it's not like go humming or anything like that. So let's go. All right, we got it running, and we'll come back tomorrow about the same time and check it. I've left a tomato, or had a tomato actually go bad right over there, so right next to it, and we'll see how to get it worked. So we'll come back tomorrow on day one and check it out. Day 4 of my test of the Wowcatch, and it's done really good. I've got my best camera here. I'm going to try to get as close as I can where you can see. But you see all these little bugs here, and then all these little gnats are up in here. And I mean, this one's quite a bit full. And but you can see, I don't know if you can see it. I know you can see this one here. But it did a really good job. I haven't really seen anything flying around, especially after the 3rd day. Now this is not like an overnight deal. You have to leave it going. So I've left it for 4 days, and this is the 4th day. Like I showed you, the 2nd day had quite some on it. Had a few things on it. It's really got a lot of those gnats. I mean, this thing is full of gnats. I don't know if I can get closer. Yeah, you can see it right there. See all these gnats right through here? And like the 1st day was just a couple, and I didn't film it. And I had one little bug on it, and the 2nd day I had more, and the 3rd day I had more. So this is the 4th day, or the 4th night I went through, and it did really good. So I really like it. I'm impressed with it. I'm thinking about buying a couple more and putting it in the house. So it's a Wowcatch. It's the name of it. And I want to put a link down in the description where you can order it. I think you can get it on Amazon, and I didn't say this the other day, but the instructions are actually on the back of the box. So You know, it's not much to it, and that's what I like about it. There's some that's kind of complicated. We bought one time a few years ago, and it was really complicated to put the thing on. This thing just sits on there and automatically turns the light on, and then you know, you just change the glue strip out. It comes with you know, 4 extra strips. So I would show you how to do that, but I don't want to. I kind of keep using this one. I really like it, so if it wasn't that good, I would waste one and show you how to do it. But it's got the instructions on here. It's not a big deal at all, but the instructions are on the back. So Wowcatch, I would definitely buy this or approve this, and I'm thinking about buying 2 more and putting them at different places in the house. But I really hadn't seen a whole lot of bugs in the other parts of the house, so I guess eventually it'll get them all out. So if you're a gardener like me, you get them on gnats this time of year. This will take care of them. And more fruit flies, you've seen some on there. Regular old house flies will get on there. So really like it. So check it out. Appreciate you watching the video. Go down to the link below. See how much they are. If you think you can buy it, go ahead and buy it. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down in the next video.